Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have generated the light passes over here. So before we start compositing it, I'll show you how to generate ambient occlusion pass over here. So very first of all, let's just save as this file over here. So I'll just save as it. After that, I'll just press Ctrl A. I'll go into material and I'll take a V-Ray light material very first of all, and into that color I'll go into this and I'll add a V-Ray dirt material. So once you add a V-Ray dirt material, let's go inside this and let's increase its radius to 250 over here and let's just render it. Okay. We need to assign it. We haven't assigned this yet. Let's go into rendering it and render this. Okay. Before doing that, what we need to do over here is like we'll just delete this lights. So let's again go back to the camera view and just render it. So that's what we also call it over here as ambient occlusion over here. So it's rendering it. So this is also considered as a pass only. So mostly this ambient occlusion is been composited. We mostly composite it with a beauty pass to give it a bit of depth. So after you have generated this, let's go into this and let's just save it into the passes and let's name it as AO. That's ambient occlusion. Save it in JPG. Now let's go into Photoshop. Let's go into File, Open. Let's go into the folder over here. So let's just take all the passes over here. So let's open all the passes one by one. So very first of all, we'll take down as a diffuse pass. On top of that, we'll be using ambient occlusion pass. So let's just drag this ambient occlusion pass on top of this. So we can just rename this all passes. If I use a screen over here, I can also use any other pass. You can see the difference. See this? It will definitely give you, it gives a bit of depth over here. So we can see other stuff also, like you can also use overlay also. Overlay is good. See this. So it's giving you soft depth over here using this ambient occlusion pass. Then we have a reflection pass. So we can also use a reflection pass. So let's just just take this reflection pass and you can use it as a screen also. So you can see this is a reflection pass, so you can use a reflection pass over here. On top of that, you can also use a refraction pass, that's for the refractions. So if you have any kind of a glass material in the scene, you can use this. That's better. This looks much better. That's a refraction pass. Then you have a specular pass, so we'll be compositing the specular. So that's your refraction, that's your specular. That's your specular pass. You can see the specular, much better. Then you have a lighting pass. You can also use a lighting pass on top of it. So first illumination, your lighting pass. Let's just drag and drop. This looks good. That's a soft light. That's your lighting pass. You can also check with other also like hard light. And so if you go with this, let's again go to the normal. So the blending modes which we are using right now. Soft light is better. After that, you have GI, global illumination. You can also use this pass. I think this looks better. After that, we have a Z-depth pass, which we can just put it on the top. You can keep this as overlay, and let's just reduce its opacity over here. So as you can see, we have composited all this passes over here. If you require to go over here and give some color balancing stuff, that can be done over here. Also you can just go into this and also give a bit of exposure. You can also give a bit of exposure wherever it is required. So already the shadow also you can just add it. I think shadow is come over here. just exclude that. So I have added exposure. Again, I can go into this, and if I want to add a bit of photo filter also, I can easily add a photo filter. So I can just go into this and I can add some photo filters into it and give some changes to it. So if you look at it, we have composited all these passes one by one: your diffuse, your ambient occlusion, your reflection, refraction, your specular, your lighting, GI, and Z depth. And these are some color correction properties which we have assigned over here. So in this way you can easily composite such passes whenever you want to composite it. So guys, if you have any doubts, please write it in the comment section. So thanks for watching this tutorial.